Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Just gonna wait for a couple of people to hop in on Zoom and Discord, and then we're gonna start our top-down analysis. What's up, guys? I think we've already missed a move on this one. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's actually. Oh, yeah. Actually, looking at this right now, I don't think I will be taking any trades at this point, considering the fact that we have bank holidays today. So, guys, today we have bank holidays. Actually, let's just do a top down, weekly or monthly analysis of gold. A top down analysis of gold since we're approaching the end of the month. So maybe we can do a. Yeah, never. I actually saw this on Friday, but I totally forgot. I forgot that we had all these bank holidays today. So I don't think there's gonna be much volume in the markets. So yeah, the spread's gonna be high. There's not much volume in the markets. Price is gonna be ranging. So I don't think we're gonna be taking any trades for today. Yeah. But for the sake of doing our top-down analysis, we're just gonna start. See what's happening on the monthly time frame. Look at the monthly time frame. We have broken below the previous monthly candle low right here. So we're extremely bearish on the monthly time frame. We have 2 days until this monthly candle closes. If you do close back below this previous monthly resistance over here at 1980, then I'm definitely anticipating all this push up over here with this current monthly candle and the previous monthly candle to be a fake out, since we have a nice candle closure back in the range, back below 1980. And really gonna anticipate the next monthly candle to really drive bearish at this point. Yeah, so the monthly we're bearish. Looking at the weekly time frame, yeah, we've been on a bearish run for the past 3 weeks on the gold. Started getting bearish on the, actually this whole month we've been bearish. So been bearish this whole month. So actually trading below this previous support area right over here, 1969 300 on the weekly time frame. Last week's candle closed extremely bearish below the support, and if we do continue bearish, I'm going to anticipate this previous weekly candle low to be tested right over here. And then if we do continue bearish, I can anticipate the price to come down to 928, which is the previous resistance area on the monthly time frame, which actually is our next resistance area. Looking at the monthly time frame, which was held on the 30th of January. So we'll see. That's the weekly time frame. Okay, looking at the monthly, the daily time frame now. Now looking at the daily time frame, we can clearly see how last week Friday's candle closed bearish. Actually closed above 1940. So this was the support that was also respected on the 22nd on Wednesday the 22nd of March. So we're actually closing bullish again at this level right here. So, but the only thing is, it's not a strong bullish candle, it's also a weak bullish candle. So I think we do have a little bit of bearish pressure. I mean, we still can go definitely bearish, potentially coming down to retest lows. So we had last week's candle come up, retest this resistance, previous resistance area over here, 19 previous support area actually at 1957 160, and we're actually trading in this range right now. Look at the 4-hour time frame. If you zoom in on the 4-hour time frame right now, I think we're pretty much ranging on the 4-hour time frame. We have our support at 1940, a little bit over 1940, which is holding 1940.50, which to be exact, and we also have our resistance at 1953 right here. So I think to be on the safe side, Oh yeah, and then we have all these minor resistance area within this range over here, which we're not gonna really take into consideration on this 4-hour time frame. Pretty much have price ranging at the moment. Highly doubt there's gonna be any volume in the markets for today. Dropping down to the 1-hour time frame. You can clearly see how the previous 1-hour candle kind of retested this previous resistance area over here that was formed towards NY close on Friday. So we have the previous 1-hour candle rejecting this resistance, and we also have price pushing down, potentially down to this next support area over here. So this is a pretty decent range that we're trading in right now. It's 58, 57, 58 plus pip range. So we could potentially catch some trades in this range, but you know, at this point, I really don't want to be taking any trades. Just gonna stay off the markets now, only because of the fact that we have bank holidays, and you know, during bank holidays the spreads are high. There's no volume, and there's really no reason to be forcing any trades when there's no volume in the markets. So yeah, just gonna stay away from the charts. I think we're gonna have some bearish momentum coming in for the week, so maybe if we get back on the charts for tomorrow or the day after, we're gonna look at possibly getting on some bearish momentum. At this point, you know, spreads are high on gold, so let's see what the spreads are on gold on my broker right now. Let's see what the spreads are. Gold, like 2 pips, 2 pips spread on gold. It's a little bit wide, so I think I'm gonna stay away from this. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. I'll catch you guys tomorrow doing another session. So I really don't see anything at this point. You know, whenever you come onto the charts and you see that there's bank holidays and there's a probability that you might not have any moves for this session, there's really no need to stay any longer on the charts. So we are going to call it a session at this point. Okay. Yeah, I know, bro. Not taking any trades today. The spreads are high. There's no volume. I pretty much have price bouncing around now, so yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow during the lunch session.